What if Toyota transformed the practical Sienna into one of the most stylish minivans ever built? Well, based on these images, that's exactly what we're looking at today. This 2027 Toyota Sienna combines futuristic styling, premium comfort, and Toyota's proven hybrid DNA into a package that looks more like a luxury grand tourer than a family hauler. Let's take a closer look at every detail. The front end is the biggest visual transformation. A slim, full-width LED light bar stretches across the nose, drawing attention to the illuminated Toyota emblem at the center. Instead of a traditional grille, the design features a massive gloss black lower intake that gives the Sienna a wider and sportier stance. The vertical LED daytime running lights are stacked inside sharply sculpted side housings, creating an aggressive signature that instantly separates this Sienna from today's model. The gloss black front splitter completes the performance-inspired appearance. From the side, the Sienna retains its familiar silhouette, but adds far more sophistication. Smooth body lines flow from front to rear, while the black roof, dark privacy glass, gloss black mirrors, and silver roof rails create an upscale two-tone finish. The lowered suspension, extended side skirts, and oversized black multi-spoke alloy wheels give this family van an athletic stance without sacrificing its spacious proportions. Even the sliding doors blend seamlessly into the clean body design. The rear continues the modern theme, with slim horizontal LED taillights connected by a black trim panel featuring bold Sienna lettering. A sporty roof spoiler extends naturally from the black roof, while the redesigned rear bumper features a large, gloss black diffuser with aerodynamic fins and vertical reflectors, giving the Sienna an unexpectedly muscular look. Step inside, and the cabin feels closer to a luxury SUV than a traditional minivan. Soft beige leather seats combine beautifully with dark wood-style trim and elegant ambient lighting that flows across the dashboard, doors, and floor. A panoramic glass roof fills the cabin with natural light, making the already spacious interior feel even larger. The dashboard is clean and modern, highlighted by a large floating infotainment display, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a well-organized center console with wireless charging, cup holders, and premium controls. The second-row captain's chairs are clearly designed for long-distance comfort, offering generous legroom, reclining functions, and individual armrests. A roof-mounted entertainment screen keeps rear passengers entertained, while the spacious third row ensures the entire family can travel comfortably. Although Toyota has not officially revealed the 2027 model, this design strongly suggests the continuation of its advanced hybrid lineup. Expect Toyota's latest 2.5-liter hybrid system, paired with improved electric motors, producing approximately 250 to 270 horsepower. Available electronic all-wheel drive should provide additional confidence in varying weather conditions, while maintaining impressive fuel economy of around 35 mpg combined. Toyota Safety Sense, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and the latest connectivity features would likely come standard on higher trims. If Toyota brings a Sienna like this into production, estimated pricing could begin around $42,000 for entry-level models. while a fully equipped Platinum Hybrid could approach $60,000. A global reveal could arrive during 2026, with customer deliveries beginning as a 2027 model. Based on these images, the 2027 Toyota Sienna proves that family transportation no longer has to be boring. Its futuristic lighting, premium exterior styling, luxurious cabin, and efficient hybrid powertrain create a minivan that looks ready to challenge both premium SUVs and luxury crossovers. If Toyota manages to keep most of these design elements for production, the next generation Sienna could become one of the most exciting family vehicles on the market. So, what do you think of this incredible new design? Would you choose this futuristic Sienna over a 3-row SUV? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive news and future concept reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.